this part, the hero part, as I like to call it, into the new website. However, we did not port the styles for the mobile version, so the mobile version doesn't look fine. And let's see how the mobile version should look in here. So it should look like this. And I should have a darker background color for this resume, or I should get rid of the MacBook in there, or ideally I should replace this picture with something better. I could do that, however, that's not the focus of this task, because in this task we are just porting over the hero section from the old website into the new one. So let's just copy over the styles for the mobile version, and then we'll be done with that. So how do we handle the mobile cases in one of our style sheets? Let's see all of our style sheets, not this one. What about this one? Yeah, so if minimum width is that, then do this. Okay, yeah, I could work with that. So let's just edit here. So just for reference, no, not there actually. This should be like this, right? Okay, and let's go back to the original website and get the styles for the mobile version. So this is the non-mobile version. That's the mobile version. Cool. Well, it's still the same font, which is nice to see, and these things are changing, right? Font margin bottom used to be 25, it's still 25. Line height, apparently the line height changes. Okay. Let's set these side by side. And what's this for? This is for intro text, intro lead in, which is going to be this. Yeah. So font size used to be what? 20. Maybe this isn't it. This isn't it. Anyway, let's keep it as is for now. Let's go to this one. How big was the font in here? It was 50. What was it in here? Okay. Right. Let's start with the big one. Font size should be 50. Margin bottom should be 25. Line height should be 50 pixels, which is the same. Yeah, everything else is the same as well. So what we are modifying in this one should be okay. So we just need to modify the font size. Let's copy the font size, paste it there. It's 50 pixels now instead of 75 when the device height is, like, if it's a mobile mode. Line height, does that change? 50. 50, it's still 50, right? Okay, let me see what this does. Okay, so in the mobile version, okay, what I'm doing is super complicated, and I should do these one by one, but I'm not doing them one by one. I'm mixing up the order, but at the end it should work. So margin top 100 when in mobile, margin bottom should be 50 when in mobile. Okay, that's a good start. Okay, intro heading. No, okay. This is the, okay, let's see the mobile version. So this is for the big one. Okay, yeah, looks good. And let's see the mobile version of this. Well, apparently, well, these shouldn't come in here. They should go under here. Line height. What's the line height? It's 22. Okay, yeah, that could be fine. Let's see. Oh, the server is not running. Let's start it. Oh, by the way, I created a new branch offline. I called it porting over hero section. doesn't apply. It is probably because I should have changed these to max, right? Right, it does look better. But this, no, this doesn't work. This is fine. This is not fine. The background image. Need to modify that somehow. And that's coming from home module SAS. Yes. That wasn't a good idea, was it? Nope. 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 Well, first of all, this has to go there, right? That needs to go there. And these two need to be like this. Cool. Okay, we're getting somewhere. And let's copy this, paste this over, just center. What determines the height of the section? I do not know. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Let's revert everything back into here. Go back one file, go back. Cool. And we need to add some spacing between these things, these two. But other than that, the font weight of these seem different. Let me check. Weight is 400. Weight is, where is it? It's not set. But I think this one is better. It like looks slimmer, cleaner. This is too bold. Anyway, I'll just leave it like that. Oh, why did I close that? And if I do that, it's going to span the whole page. If I do this, it's going to get smaller. Cool. Need to change this part only now. So line height, is this it? No. Oh. Yeah, so this is what determines. We need to set the line height to be 50 in the minimum in the mobile version. So let's go back to here module SAS. Line height 22 pixels. Intro lead in. Yeah, that's fine. But this shouldn't be there. And now the bug should be fixed. Ta-da. Okay. And the margin between these is too big, right? Okay, let's see. Where is the margin coming from? Okay, the margin bottom changes. So what is the margin bottom for this one? Margin bottom 25 pixels. Yeah, should be 25 instead of 50 basically, or 70, not 70. This should be 20. And we are good to go. And this is basically the mobile version. This bouncing animation causes side horizontal scrolling, as you can see I'm going to point it down with my screen. Look at the bottom left of the screen, and you can see as I hover over these items, it causes this horizontal bar to appear at there, which will probably cause bugs in the future, but oh, never mind. We'll fix that later. Okay, looks very good. The background image needs to be darker, or this resume is not really visible because this background image is just on top of the thing. Let's see if we can temporarily add a shadow. So there was something like a box shadow somewhere in here. There's text shadow. Okay, let's see. I don't want text shadow. I want box shadow. Yeah, this looks alright. Let's start with the simple ones. Oh. It still looks terrible. Okay, this button needs a background, right? That's how you solve a problem. So the background, where do we set the background of this button? Color. Now, oh, we add a border. Oh, okay, so this is not a button. I have no idea how to do this. So I want a box, but I want the text inside to be transparent. Inverse. Inverse and color CSS. Oh. Oh no, that's too complicated. No, that's not what I want. Yes, I want this. How do you do that? Okay, background color. Let's start with background color. Background is going to be, let's say this. Let's see what that does. Right. Okay, that doesn't look too bad actually. Yeah, it looks alright. I just need to make it the same color as this. And in the mobile version, okay, so in the mobile version, it should come with this background color, which is going to be the same background color as the navigation bar. So we can get this color from there, right? Where's that color? I'm looking for the blue that we use. Where's that coming from? That blue. Is this it? I guess. So let's paste this in for now. But I want to have this tag in here, and this is going to go under here. Transparency, we can copy that from here and probably paste it there. Yeah. Why is it still here? It should only be like that in the mobile version. So is this not working? Do I need to move it here? Or am I doing something completely wrong? Okay, let's see if changing... Oh yeah, that's fine. And on the desktop version now, it should disappear. It should come back. It should disappear. It should come back. Great. And at least on the mobile version, we have a legible resume button now. Actually, the background transparency 0.95 is a bit too much. Let's go with 0.97. Okay, I'll go with it. Okay. Okay, it's readable now. Hey, we made our first style change. Okay, this is good to go. You know what? This is so easy to add to the other website, so I'm just gonna add it. So the box style, where is it? In here. When you hover over it now, I need one of the old CSS media tags. You know what? Never mind. I should not add this to our current website. Actually, I'm gonna commit the changes in the old one. Git status. Let's see. Yeah, git commit. Removed duplicate lines and fire errors. Let's deploy the old website again. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Firebase. And now we can close this. Right. It looks just okay for now. Oh, I need to add the link. I need to add the resume. Right. I cannot close this. I need to copy my resume. It's under, where was it? Public. Yeah, it's under public. Here. Yeah, copy the file. I hope it's the latest one. It should be the latest one. I'm gonna update it soon though. Changes are coming. Big changes are coming next week. Data, resume. Oh wait, I already have this in here. Where do I use it? Apparently nowhere. Okay, did I use this somewhere before? Probably. And it was probably in here.jsx. So wait, Mark just walked in, my housemate. It was probably, yeah, it was probably in here, right? Resume button, resume link. My housemate said we are rude because we did not say hello. Let me just say hello to him. Hey Mark, I'm doing a stream. Hello. Hey, how are you? Oh, that was very quick. Anyway. So we already have it in home.jsx in here, but it's not used. How do we? Well, okay, we don't need. We do need it in there. Do we need it in here? Probably, because it's a file, and I don't know how you serve files, but resume link should Okay, let's try this. What does that do? I guess that works. But the file name should be... Anyway, I can keep it like this. I'm happy with that. We can that could be something that we could take a look at later. You don't need to have the exact URL, right? We could set up a redirect or something. Actually, let me create another task for that, or a spike, because that's something that we have to investigate how to do. Spike. And 3 points. All right, resume easy access link. It's there. I'll add some more description after the stream, because I'll probably forget what that means. So this is here, which means we can remove the link from inside the JSON file. So where are the JSON files? Here.json. Oh, okay. We might still need to add this later, but let's just remove it for now. And I'm happy with the changes for today because the resume link just works as well. So let's commit the changes, merge them in, and we are done. For added mobile styles and added CV file. Hit push. All right, I'll get this merged in, and this is it for this stream. Oh, actually, no, I'll merge this in now and do a deployment, and you'll see how to do a deployment. I may have done it before, but let me just do it again. We have 3 branches. Wait, what? Oh, it's merged. Yeah, we can delete the merge stuff. New pull request. Yes, we've deleted all of that. Yes. Hey, actually, does that mean... Does that mean we can get rid of material libraries now because we're not using them anymore, right? Anyway, let's see if we get rid of them. Let's see if anything breaks. Wait, did we merge it? Yes, we merged it. So delete the branch. Git checkout master, git pull. Right, let's remove not React Bootstrap, but Material UI Core. Right, and remove Node modules. This is probably going to take a while. Okay, now do npm I. Right, let's do npm start. Does it still run or does it complain? Okay, it still runs. So we just got rid of material libraries in our React website. Cool. Let's commit this to the master branch. UI dependency. Git push. Okay, done. Oh, deployment. npm run script build. So this is how you create a production build. So you create a build and then you do Firebase deploy to push it. So you can view it on your phone or just Firebase deploy. And after that finishes, you will be able to click this link, and yeah, that finished. So this link that you see is currently at the latest version of my personal website. Well, the React personal website, but this is very close to what I had before, right? I can almost publish this, almost. Yeah, but I have a tiny bit of stuff left to do. Anyway, I'll see you on the next stream. I have a lot of tasks to do. I'm thinking about adding, well, these things had models before, right? Let me show you what I'm going to do in one of the next streams. So when you click one of them, this thing shows up and it displays the screenshots. This is super buggy. It displays all screenshots for all of them, which it shouldn't have, but I never fixed it. So instead of having these models, because they don't look nice on the mobile version, they look just fine on the desktop one, but in the mobile version, they just look like this. And what does the user do? Does the user have to scroll? Where's the close button? How do you close this thing? Do you click outside? No, you can't click outside. So it's a major problem. And we are going to remove these and maybe replace them with small blog posts or something, which I explain it a bit more in detail. So when you click on one of them, you'll be redirected into its blog posts. I think that's a very better user experience because this is such a misuse of models. This is massive. It shouldn't be like this. Anyway, I'll end the stream in here, and yeah, I'll do another stream sometime later. All right, bye.